Pâté en croûte.
Pâté en croûte.
Croûte. Lovely. Ah, look, it's coming out.
Oh yeah. Oh,
British recipe, yeah? I have enough smoke flavor, me.
2 grams of pepper, but you can do as you feel. Yeah, lovely, like that. Madeira wine. Lovely pot. We're just gonna use it all. Smells even better now.
Fill my hands first. Oh no! Oh yes! And the ground mace. And then we're gonna make the pastries. I put a shell in his.
500 flour. I'd rather put a pinch. Oh my god! 75.
100 grams of butter. A tablespoon of spoon.
Lovely.
Oh. French way, not bad. Bravo.
French version.
No chance. That's the British.
That's the French.
Right. Look at those pies.
Smells good.
That's it, that's it. A slice of the Frenchie.
That's the bacon. Yours look beautiful though.
What do you guys think?